Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.